हमारा वो राहुल जी एलओपी इनका नेतृत्व हमारा अभी वोट्स और गाड़ी और महारैली अभी करने का तैयारी है। आज मैं मणिपुर का पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट है और ये वोट्स और डेमोक्रेसी का पूरा अंडरमाइन हो रहा है। इसलिए टू शेप द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड टू शेप दिस डेमोक्रेसी, दिस वोट्स और गाड़ी और इज a very much need of the hour, and for that our state Manipur also these coming huge leaders of the Manipur also joining this program, and we are ready. Then all these leaders went to the Ramlila Maidan. It is a very big program, and we appreciate the initiatives of Rahul Gandhi ji. He find out all these both have of the BJP. In fact, no, BJP really is a in all these board chore and Gadi chore. No, this is their tactics. There is no anti-incumbency in BJP. That is why they are a means to win the vote only. So this vote chore is a voice of the people, and the vote chore is the foundations of democracy. No, it's in fact no. The people should raise these issues, and whatever Rahulji is exposed. No, it's a very right time in these junctures. No, we have to raise our voice, and the election commission and the BJP government should be down, because no, this vote will not save our right, and it is our right to raise the issues, and the government should take serious concern on this matter.